In this video, I'll show you how to easily sync your Gmail contacts on your iPhone running iOS 18. Be sure to watch till the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app, scroll down the page and tap on Apps, then scroll down the page again and find Mail. Then find Mail accounts and tap on it. If you haven't added your Gmail account yet, click on Add an account and select Google. You will need to enter your username and password to sync into your Gmail account. Once logged in, your Gmail account will appear here. As you can see, I have one Gmail account labeled Gmail. Click on it and you will have the option to change the shortcut. To enable contact synchronization, simply turn on the toggle switch next to contacts. This will allow you to sync your Gmail contacts with your iPhone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up.